everyone, how are you all? I hope you are safe at your home and you're washing your hands at the proper intervals. Great. So let's start our first session. The chapter name is India, our country. As we already know that India is a vast country with 28 states and 9 union territories. Do you remember that? Yes, there were some changes made in 2019 which makes it to 28 and 9, and that's why we say that India stands at the 7th position in terms of area, whereas when we talk about population, India holds 2nd position. People, do you know that which country comes on the first position in terms of population? Yes, you are correct, it's China. And if we talk about the 6 larger countries in terms of area before India, they are as follows. Come closer and have a look on the world map so that you can understand. The largest country in terms of area is Russia. The second largest country in terms of area is Canada. The third one is China. The fourth one is United States of America. The 5th largest country is Brazil, and the 6th largest country is Australia, and then comes our own motherland, India. Yes. Now you understand there are 7 largest countries which we have talked about. Now, how important you feel the neighbors are for you? They are important? Yes. If they will not be there, you feel lonely, nobody will be there to play with you, you feel isolated. Correct. So, India is a very friendly country. It shares its boundary with 9 countries. Do you know what the name of those countries are? Let's explore it through the map. See, if we talk about the countries from the north, you can see there is China, Nepal and Bhutan. If we come to the west side, I mean to say northwest, yes, we have 2 countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. If we talk about from the east side, we have 2, Bangladesh and Myanmar. And you know, India is really friendly across the seas as well. So we have 2 countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Great. So now you have understood that there are 9 countries with which India is sharing its boundary. Right. As if we connected in the same way, we can see that India is a diverse land which has mountains, plains. You know people, you live in plains? Right, we live in the northern plains. Third one is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Fourth, the southern plateaus. Fifth, the coastal plains. And the 6th one is the islands. They are really very important. You know, the northern mountains really help us from the cold winds as well as they protect us from the enemies, right? Do you want to know the 2 particular points which India has? If we talk about the southernmost point of the Indian mainland, it is Cape Comorin, which is in Kanyakumari. Whereas if we talk about the southernmost point of the Indian Union, it is the Indra Point, which is the last point of our country, India. Now it is important to know about the largest and the smallest state of our country. The largest state of our country is Rajasthan, and the smallest one, you can see the smallest one. Yes, this is Goa. This is the smallest one. Now, one more thing which I need to tell you, that you know that the southern part of India is known as peninsula. You know why it is known as peninsula? Let's have a look on the map. See, this particular part is known as peninsula because this particular part is covered with water from 3 sides. Here you can see Arabian Sea, here you can see Bay of Bengal, and at the tip of our country you can see Indian Ocean. That's why any area of land which is covered with water from 3 sides is known as peninsula. I hope you understand what is there in this chapter, and I hope that I will be meeting you soon. Thank you.